Thank you for purchasing Keywords Made Simple. This video is going to show you exactly what you're going to get in the Keywords Made Simple package and how to use it. So I'll jump right in. The things that you're going to get are a couple of spreadsheets and a whole bunch of content. So the first spreadsheet you're going to get is called an analysis. And what this is going to give you is the top 25 words or keyword phrases that are related to the keyword that you told me to run, and the 5 that are related to each one of those. It comes in what's called a pivot table here in an Excel spreadsheet. So this is what it looked like. The keyword I ran for myself on this example is search engine optimization. So these are the keywords that the search engines say must be on my website somewhere, whether it be an article or one of your main pages, wherever you put it. And if you click the little plus button, it will tell you the ones that are related to that. Now, I ran more than 5 in this example. Yours will have the 5 top keywords related to, in this example, backlinks. So each one of these will have 5 in there. Now, the next one that you're going to look at is called a matrix. And this is actually more information than you will ever need. Each one of these rows is where they found the keywords. It's like the different lists and different things that the search engines use. You don't need to know anything about that. The only thing of importance in here is the term counts. And I'll be honest, this may not be important to you either. You may never use this spreadsheet. But what this is telling you is out of the 62 different ways of determining keywords that a search engine uses, the local SEO was found 58 times. So that is an important keyword. And what this does is it ranks them from the highest to the lowest. I'm personally, if it's under 10, I'm not so focused on it. I'm probably not going to write an article on PageRank because it's just not that important. I'm going to be focusing my efforts on everything that's 10 or more mentions. So that's how you use this. It just tells you where the keywords you're looking at fall in the rank of importance to your business. Now, the third thing you'll get is all of your content. And so I just wanted to show this. I will put all of this in a folder and I'm going to share it with you via Google Drive. So each one of these folders holds the content that was created for that keyword. So let's just go ahead and look at user experience. I haven't looked at this one yet. Let's take a look. So within here, you'll find the folders. I created YouTube captions, LinkedIn post, Twitter post, Instagram captions, Facebook. This is Google Business Profile. And the one that you probably really want is the article. I'm going to open this up, and this opens in a text document. Now, I created a video showing you exactly what to do with this document. So I'm not going to review that here. Go ahead and watch that other video. So here we are back at our folder, and I just want to show you how these look. So let's just look at our Facebook posts. So you just simply open up the Excel spreadsheet, and this has 3 posts in it. And if you just click on one of them, you will see the post up here, and you can copy and paste it from here. So you get 3. Do you have to use 3? No, you could use just 1. It just depends on your strategy of how often you want to put out the content. So if you put out the content once a month, you'll have 2 years worth of content. You might, the day that you post your blog post, then come in here and grab a Facebook post and go ahead and put that on Facebook and link it to your post. Now, the next week, you can come in here and do your second Facebook post. Or if you're doing your content more often, you could do another piece of content. It doesn't really matter how you use it. What matters is that you use it. So what these social posts are designed to do is market the post that you just put on your website. There's a lot more that you can do with this. This is just the beginning, scratching the surface, you might want to call it that. So that's everything in the package. I hope you actually take the time to use this content, and please watch the video on what to do with the content, how to use it, how to combine the text document with the custom GPT that you have access to. And that video will give you more ideas on how you can make this content last way more than the year's worth of content that I promised you in the package. So please watch that video, use it. If you have any questions, get back to me, and I would love your feedback. Yes, please provide your feedback on this package.